Hello and welcome to the Reactivex course by Eduonix. My name is Brad Traversy and I'll be your instructor for this course. So before we get started, just a little info about myself. I have around 12 years experience in web design and development. For the last 4, maybe 5 years, I've been teaching technology courses such as this one. I specialize in all different types of JavaScript as well as server-side web development with Node.js, languages like PHP, Ruby, and then I also have a little bit of experience in database administration. If you like this course, I do have many others available at eduonix.com. So what is Reactivex or Reactive Extensions? It's an API for asynchronous programming with observable streams. So it uses a combination of ideas from the observer pattern, the iterator pattern, and functional programming. So basically, you can think about just about anything as a stream. For instance, UI events. Every time you click your mouse or press a key, you're firing off a stream of data. And Reactive Extensions, or Reactivex, allows us to capture that stream and then create what's called an observable. Okay, an observable can emit data. It can emit errors if something goes wrong, as well as a complete signal if it does in fact complete. Okay, some don't. So we can manipulate things like UI events or API responses, or even things like a simple array or object. Okay, so this is called reactive programming, and it's an extremely popular programming paradigm. So you'll learn all the fundamentals of reactive programming. It's based around what I just told you, asynchronous streams that use observables and observers, which are the objects that actually subscribe to observables. All right. Reactive Extensions is available for just about any popular programming language: Java, C++, Python, and of course JavaScript, which is called RxJS. And that's the platform we'll be using in this course. Okay, we'll create and manipulate streams and transform and filter them with operators. So course details, we have 6 different sections. 5 of them will be learning sections with very small projects and experimentation. And then we'll have one project section where we'll build a weather checker that will work with a third-party API to check the weather of specific cities and states. Okay, we'll have 4 to 7 lectures per section, 1 video in each lecture along with any project files, and then 1 small quiz per section. So here's a list of the sections. We have Intro to Reactive Programming, where we'll talk about streams and observables and what those are. We'll also talk about some of the other available programming paradigms. Section 2, we'll talk about creating observables. We can create observables from events, from objects and arrays, from promises, from pretty much just about anything, as well as create our own observables from scratch. Section 3 will be on transforming and filtering. So we can get this data and we can transform it, we can filter through it, we can map it, and so on. And then 4 will be combining observables together. And then 5 will be extras. We'll add a couple utility operator videos, as well as error handling, and then also what's called subjects. All right, and then in section 6, we're going to build our Weather Finder project. All right, so that's what's in store for this course. Hopefully you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.